Good day, folks. Derek, that ADU guy here, coming to you live from a tenant's bathroom. So I've had this water leak the last few days. This ADU is above a garage, and so there's been water on the floor in the garage. I've gotten a couple of calls lately. So the first thing I did was I came in and I tightened up the drain with a drain wrench and filled up the tub to make sure it wasn't still leaking downstairs. It wasn't. The next step I went to was I replaced the gasket behind the locking nut for the overflow drain. That wasn't it. And then I noticed that when I started the shower, there was just a little bit of water leaking out. And what was happening is inside of this tub nozzle here, there's an O-ring that should seat to make a tight seal around this copper. And what had happened is that O-ring, I can see it down in the end of this. I don't think you can see it on the video here, but the O-ring has come undone. So when the tenant would turn the shower on, there would be all this back pressure here that was literally just squirting into this hole, which when we install a fiberglass tub surround, there's a 3-inch hole saw opening here and a 1-inch hole saw opening here. And then this just goes right into the subframe. And so water was just, the back pressure was just spraying water down into here. I'm sure it just went down onto the subfloor, found the hole where the cutout is for the P-trap of the tub, and then hit the framing members and just ran down the wall until it hit the garage floor. So I've never seen one of these fail. This is a Moen. This is a really good product, but we just had a failure there and it's been filling up the wall with water. So I'm really stoked to have found it. You know, being a landlord is cool. Everybody likes to talk about owning property and collecting rent, but you know, this is the good, the bad, and the ugly of being a landlord. Got to take care of our tenants and stop water leaks right when they come up. Feel free to like and subscribe to my channel if it brings value to you. You can hit the bell so you see my videos right when they come out. But more than anything, just use the information you learn here to make repairs at your own house or start planning your ADU. Thanks for your time, folks.